Hello, and welcome to another video of CodeBot for SAP SuccessFactors. In this video, we will learn how the LMS Scramble tool works in CodeBot for SAP SuccessFactors. The LMS Scramble tool is designed to anonymize or scramble email address data in the SAP SuccessFactors learning management system. Using this tool, you can target a specific group of LMS users based on defined search criteria and replace their email addresses with either a constant value or randomly generated data, ensuring privacy and compliance. On the dashboard, start by clicking on Scramble Clone under the Module Access panel and click on LMS Scramble module. Then enter into your workspace. Now, open the LMS Scrambling workbook. The LMS Scramble tool works using two worksheets, LMS Search Criteria and LMS Scramble Config. Let's start with the LMS Search Criteria sheet. This sheet controls user selection by allowing you to filter LMS users based on specific fields. In column B, select the entity and field used for filtering. Supported fields include user attributes such as active status, external ID, first name, last name, and employment organization IDs. In this example, let's select user first name. Column C defines the operator. Currently, CodeBot only supports equal to, and column D contains the value to compare against the selected field. Let's add the value. This means that only users whose first name exactly matches this value will be included in the scrambling process. Next, move to the LMS Scramble Config sheet. This sheet defines the method of scrambling the email addresses. In column B, you specify the LMS entity, such as LMS users. Column C identifies the field to be scrambled. For now, CodeBot only supports the scrambling of email address field. Column D determines the scrambling method, either constant or random, and column E is used only when the constant method is selected. When using constant scrambling, the original email address is replaced with a fixed value provided by the user. This option is useful when a predictable or standardized email address is required. All impacted users will have their email addresses replaced with that value. Once the configuration is complete, close the workbook. Now, back in CodeBot, click on the hamburger menu, and then click on Request Reprocess. Click the hamburger menu again, and select Start Configuration. If the SSO is enabled, log in using SSO. Otherwise, enter your SuccessFactors password. Enter your OData API credentials if required. Enter the execution notes. Select the SFSF Scrambling LMS option. And click Confirm and start to begin the process. As the status changes to processing, you can track the progress of the execution. Click on the eye icon to monitor the progress. Refresh the logs to view the updated information. Once the execution is complete, open the workbook and then log in to your SAP SuccessFactors instance to verify the changes. Navigate to Learning Administration. Open the Profile drop-down and select Users. Search for the targeted first name and you'll see that the email address has been successfully updated. Now, let's apply another rule by which you can scramble the email address using constant scrambling. If a constant prefix, like in this example CodeBot, is entered, the bot updates the selected user's email address by adding that prefix before the existing email. Let's execute this. Close the workbook. Enter the credentials Execution notes. And click on Confirm and start to begin the process. Once the status turns to processing, wait for the execution to complete. Once complete, open the SAP SuccessFactors instance and refresh the page. Notice that the email address has been successfully updated with the prefix. Go back to the LMS scrambling configuration worksheet. Now let's scramble the email addresses using the random scrambling. When using random scrambling, CodeBot generates a unique, system-created email address for each user. This method ensures anonymization while maintaining uniqueness. Here, no constant value is required. Close the workbook. Once the execution is complete, verify the change in your SAP SuccessFactors instance. Refresh the page, and you'll notice that a random email address has been created and updated in the instance. For random scrambling, CodeBot follows defined rules. The tool can also randomize only the portion before the @ symbol while keeping the domain intact. Let's execute it. Close the workbook. Once the execution is complete, verify the change in your SAP SuccessFactors instance. Refresh the page, and you'll notice that a random email address has been created with the domain intact and updated in the instance. This confirms that the LMS Scramble tool has run successfully, allowing you to securely anonymize LMS email data using CodeBot. Thank you for watching.